In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage multiple bookings on Agoda. Whether you're planning a big trip with several stays or you just like to keep everything organized in one place, knowing how to quickly view and manage your reservations can save you a lot of time and stress. We'll go through the process step by step using the standard Agoda dashboard layout so you can easily follow along on your own screen. First, start on your Agoda home dashboard. This is the main page you see after you sign into your account. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you sometimes use different email addresses or devices. Your bookings are tied to your account, so being in the right one is important. Once you're on the home dashboard and signed in, look towards the top corner of the page for your profile picture or profile icon. It might be a small image or just a generic user icon if you haven't added a photo. Click on that profile picture. This opens up a small menu related to your account settings and personal options. From this menu, click on the option labeled My Trips. This is the central place where Agoda stores all of your upcoming and past reservations. Think of it as your personal trip hub. If you ever feel lost on the site, remembering to go back to My Trips is a good way to get reoriented. After you click My Trips, you'll be taken to a page that shows you all your bookings associated with that account. Here, you can usually see your upcoming reservations as well as previous stays. This overview is especially helpful if you have several trips planned or if you want to quickly check which dates you've already booked. On this page, you'll be able to view all your reservations in one place. Take a moment to scroll through the list and get an overall picture of your travel plans. You might see hotel stays, apartments, or other types of properties you've reserved. If there are filters or tabs, you can use them to switch between upcoming and completed trips, which can make things easier to find. Next, you'll want to select a specific booking to manage or edit. Find the reservation you want to work with by looking at the property name, the destination, or the check-in and check-out dates. When you've identified the right one, click on that booking. This will open a detailed view of that reservation. Inside the booking details, you can usually see important information such as the guest name, dates, room type, and property policies. From here, Agoda typically gives you options to manage or edit certain parts of the reservation depending on the property's rules. For example, you might be able to change guest details, adjust dates, add special requests, or check cancellation conditions. Use this detailed view as your control center for that specific booking. If you have multiple bookings, repeat the same process. Go back to My Trips, scroll through your list, and select the next booking you want to review or adjust. That's all there is to it. By starting from your home dashboard, clicking your profile picture, going to My Trips, reviewing all your bookings, and then selecting a specific reservation to manage, you'll be able to stay on top of multiple Agoda bookings quickly and confidently.